Hi, my name is Erika and I'm part of Monash Deep Neuron. I'm part of two branches, so the deep learning branch and the marketing branch. So I've done two projects. My project with deep learning was looking at the linguistic features of people who had OCD in comparison to those who had substance abuse disorder and analysing them through a natural language processing model. So it's very interesting. And the second one was with marketing. So I'm part of the marketing team and we run really cool campaigns. And one of those included the HER campaign, which was promoting women in STEM and just highlighting the amazing work that they've done. What I enjoy most about it is the people. For my deep learning project, I had to take a bit of time off for my studies and my teammates were so accommodating and supportive. And then for my marketing team, I love them as well. They are so hardworking and everyone just meshes really well together and everyone's very passionate. So it's heaps of fun to work with them. My advice would be when you're preparing for recruitment and you're doing a little project on DL or HPC, to give it a shot, give it your best shot. It can be confusing at times and you can get confused. Everyone gets confused. Some people are just really good at hiding it. Don't worry, you've got it. There's heaps of resources online. If you look and there's forums you can ask questions on, you're not alone with this. I'm sure heaps of other people have been stuck where you've been stuck. So definitely just give it your best shot and you'll really surprise yourself. What I love about Deep Neuron is that we're a little bit of a family. We do produce some amazing work in HPC and deep learning, but we also make sure that everyone's feeling happy and not too stressed. So we prioritise this recently a lot by now we have social health and wellbeing officers who will carry out check-ins, make sure everyone's okay, and also hold social events so everyone can just gather and de-stress a little bit. At Deep Neuron, I really learned that you should back yourself. I think it's the very supportive culture here. There's heaps of opportunities you can run for and everyone's very encouraging of you to go for them. Prior to this, I had no experience in marketing and now I'm in the marketing team heavily involved and having so much fun and I love it. So I think that's something I've learned in Deep Neuron, really just to back yourself and go for things.